10 Coolest Amazon Gadgets You'll Want to Buy. Ever stumble across a gadget so cool, so innovative, that you couldn't help but think, I need that in my life right now? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into 10 of the most mind-blowing must-have gadgets on Amazon that you won't believe actually exist. We're talking everything from high-tech lights to robots that could easily pass for something out of a sci-fi movie. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have your shopping cart full and maybe even a few new obsessions. Lock-a-Box 1. Let's kick things off with something that brings a touch of security to your home. The Lock-a-Box 1. Now, this may look like a simple storage box, but don't let its sleek exterior fool you. The Lock-a-Box is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their personal items or sensitive items locked up tight. It's perfect for people who have curious pets. Or, let's be real, those of us who just can't resist sneaking a late-night snack. The beauty of the Lock-a-Box 1 lies in its clever design and security features. It comes with a built-in key lock and is made from durable, transparent materials, so you can see what's inside but can't easily get to it without the key. Olight Baton 4. Next up is a flashlight that goes way beyond basic. Introducing the Olight Baton 4. Flashlights usually don't get much love, but this one? Oh, it deserves all the attention. The Olight Baton 4 is ultra-compact, but packs a serious punch with a powerful beam. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but bright enough to light up an entire room, or even the darkest trails. The best part? It has a rechargeable battery, so no more dealing with disposable batteries. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just walking your dog at night, the Baton 4 is a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable light source on the go. Plus, its magnetic tail means you can stick it to any metal surface for hands-free lighting. Talk about convenience. Edifier G200. If you're looking to elevate your audio experience without breaking the bank, then the Edifier G200 gaming speakers are about to rock your world. These speakers aren't just for gamers. They're for anyone who loves crystal-clear sound with rich bass and incredible clarity. The sleek modern design fits perfectly on any desk or entertainment setup, and trust me, they're as good to look at as they are to listen to. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite playlist, watching movies, or in the middle of an intense gaming session, the G200 speakers bring your audio experience to life. They're also compact enough to save space, yet powerful enough to fill an entire room with sound. Ninja Slushie. Do you love slushies but hate the long lines and sugary syrups? Meet the Ninja Slushie, the gadget that lets you make the most delicious frozen treats right in the comfort of your home. This amazing machine crushes ice to perfection, turning it into a smooth, slushy consistency with just the push of a button. Imagine being able to create your own custom slushy flavors, whether you're into fruity, icy drinks, or something a bit more adventurous like coffee slushies. The Ninja Slushie lets you customize to your heart's content. It's a fun gadget for family gatherings, parties, or just when you need to cool off on a hot day. And with its easy-to-clean design, you won't be dreading the cleanup process either. Anki Vector Robot. It's time to meet your new favorite little robot, Anki's Vector Robot. Imagine having a cute, playful robot that can do everything from answering your questions to recognizing faces and even playing games with you. The Vector is powered by advanced AI, which means it's constantly learning, adapting, and getting smarter over time. It's equipped with a camera, touch sensors, and voice recognition, so you can interact with it using just your voice. It can play music, take pictures, and even tell you the weather, all while rolling around your house like a tiny little companion. And don't get us started on how adorable it is, but don't let its cuteness fool you. This little robot is capable of complex tasks and can even connect to smart home devices. Keezy. Losing your keys? It's a problem nearly everyone has dealt with. Enter Keezy, the key organizer that not only keeps all your keys in one spot, but does it with style. Keezy isn't just about keeping things organized, it's about bringing a level of convenience to your daily life that you didn't even know was possible. With its magnetic design, Keezy allows you to store multiple keys in a compact, easy-to-carry format. Whether you're juggling house keys, car keys, or even office keys, Keezy has you covered. Plus, it's small enough to fit in your pocket or clip to your bag, making it the perfect solution for anyone who wants to keep things neat and tidy without the bulk of a traditional keyring. Mology. If you love gadgets that combine style and function, Mology is a company you need to check out. Their sleek wireless earbuds are not just great for listening to music or taking calls, but also come with a variety of smart features that'll make you question how you ever lived without them. From noise-canceling technology to superior sound quality, Mology's earbuds are designed to keep you immersed in your audio no matter where you are. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, and they're sweat-resistant, which makes them perfect for workouts or rainy day adventures. And the cherry on top? The sleek charging case that not only looks cool but provides additional battery life when you're on the go. Plasma lighter. There's something undeniably futuristic about a plasma lighter, and when you see one in action, you'll understand exactly why. The plasma lighter uses electrical arcs to create a flame, which means you never need to deal with fluid or refills. It's windproof, waterproof, and as reliable as a lighter can get, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, smokers, or anyone who just appreciates a gadget that's as practical as it is cool. The sleek modern design looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, and using it feels just as high-tech. The best part? Since it's rechargeable, you won't be throwing away disposable lighters or constantly searching for matches. OBSBOT Tail 2. Let's talk about cameras for a moment, specifically the OBSBOT Tail 2. This camera is a game changer for anyone who's into content creation, live streaming, or even just taking top-tier selfies. With AI-powered tracking, the OBSBOT Tail 2 automatically follows your movements, keeping you in the frame no matter where you go. Whether you're filming a workout, recording a tutorial, or just live streaming your day, this camera ensures that you'll always be the star of the show. It's incredibly easy to use and offers features like 4K resolution and gesture controls, so you can control the camera without even touching it. This camera is not just for the professionals, it's for anyone who wants to take their filming game to the next level. Sphero Mini. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the Sphero Mini. This tiny robot might look like a simple ball at first, but it's actually packed with fun and interactive features. The Sphero Mini is controlled via a smartphone app, letting you navigate it, play games, and even race it around like an RC car. It's a fantastic tool for kids and adults alike, offering hours of entertainment and interactive play. But beyond fun, the Sphero Mini helps develop problem-solving and coding skills, making it a great introduction to robotics and STEM. Whether you're looking to entertain yourself, your kids, or show off your mad robot skills to friends, the Sphero Mini is guaranteed to bring out the inner kid in everyone. There you have it, the coolest gadgets on Amazon that you didn't even know you needed. If you're itching to get your hands on some of these, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more cool tech finds, and share this video with your friends so they can join in on the gadget fun too.